Today we'll be going through a tutorial with the Dehancer Pro. It's a film emulator used on DaVinci Resolve and Premiere and all those good ones. Yeah, it's all about a nostalgic flow to the video. But yes, Dehancer commented on one of my videos. The vibe of this color grade is unmatched. What do you think of collaborating with us? So I've obviously snapped that up and I'm going to give you a test run. I'm all about the nostalgic feels, as I think yeah, it really brings out nice memories, the colors, and anyways, so here we are, DaVinci Resolve. By the way, I am not a colorist. I'm an absolute amateur. I don't know a whole lot, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so we're going to create some nodes here. Color, space, transform on the start. Let me just quickly set this up. S3. S3. Okay. Now we're just going to quickly run through and do a grade. Very basic grade, may I add. So let's just muck around with this. Let's not go too crazy. Alright. Bring the color up a little bit. Let's make this a bit bigger. Make it a little bit brighter. Yeah, just playing around with it. I do like the real soft colors. Just yeah, it really makes it nostalgic. Alright, so just whisking through this. I'm going to create one more. Bring in some more details in the mid. So yeah, very fast and rough this this grade, just running through some basic stuff. Alright. So that's a color I'm pretty happy with, provided it's only been, what, 2 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to bring in Dehancer right on the end there. Now, it does come in pre-selected with a lot of things, so I'm just going to untick all these boxes and then we'll run through and go through them and choose what we want. Now, there are profiles that you can add in, like LUTs and stuff, but I've just color graded this clip, so I'm gonna leave these ones, but I'll show you anyways. So yeah, black point, adjustments there, white point. So it's really detailing in for your colors. Yeah, here's the profiles I was saying, sitting on film log, Kodak. Anyways, we're going to skip all this bit and we're going to go into the juicy settings. So yeah, film grain, so obviously that brings in the texture there, like an old camera. And you can choose the amplifier, which basically shows the friction static stuff. Now I might put like a touch of this on, but I'll just go through one at a time and just see what each of them do. Halation and bloom, that's obviously what we've come for today. Just brings in that beautiful color. So I've got 35mm selected. I like 8mm. It's a little bit stronger, but we're going to knock it back a touch. See how it brings in, if I max this out, brings in a nice super glow. We're gonna back this off a bit, potentially around that point. And then the bloom, we're going to knock this back to 8mm also. Well, we'll try 65. I'm not actually sure what these profiles are supposed to mean, whether it's, yeah, I'm not sure. So we'll just keep it on 8mm. Okay, now we're gonna look at the film damage. So that's just the trickling through. I'll just turn it up so you can see. Alright, so film damage, I believe making that 8mm, it's gonna increase the frequency, as you can see. Now, yeah, I'm not going for a broken film look, so I'm gonna uncheck that one. Film breath. Let's have a look at what this one does. Okay, so we got like a variation in the color. It's like a flickering. Very cool. So you got so many options to do, you know, depending on what video you want to make and do. Gate waves, just seems like it's kind of cropped in. Bit of a camera shake. So yeah, it seems like going on to 8mm, it really just brings out the most intensity. The most intense part of that feature. Alright, overscan. Okay, so it's bringing in the super film view. Now we can change through to different layouts. So you can see how this can really come in massive use in creating different projects. Yeah, very cool. I really do like this plugin. It's yeah, it's really good. I know DaVinci Resolve has a lot of things on it where you can access like halation and bloom, but yeah, this is a very, very pro setup in complete detail. Alright, well, I'm going to go through, I'm going to edit up some clips, and I'm going to come back to you and yeah, see what we can make. Alright guys, just one more thing actually. Just going to disable Dehancer and then re-enable it just so you can see the difference. Bang, bang. Yeah, it just really transforms the image in a beautiful way. Yeah, you can go back to this color head. I was just looking at it just before. Just reset these. You can really just manipulate your image to whatever feel you want. Like, that is so nice. I mean, this is kind of going into the color correcting part, but yeah, you can really just do so much with this plugin. That's so cool. So I might leave it at that, and like I said before, I'm going to work on the next clip and I'll put together a video and play it for you.